Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into genuine friendship. Whether you're trying to be a better friend or looking for ways to strengthen your relationships, I've got some simple but powerful friendship tips that'll take your connections to the next level. Trust me, these tips will help you build long-lasting bonds. And who knows, you might just become someone's best friend. Tip 1. Be a great listener. This might sound obvious, but listening is a skill most people forget about. We all love talking, right? But real friendships thrive when we take the time to hear what others are saying. Show genuine interest when your friends are sharing questions and make them feel like their thoughts truly matter. This makes people feel valued and understood. Remember, listening is more than just nodding your head. It's about being present, looking them in the eye, and engaging with what they're saying. Tip 2. Be there in both good times and bad. Everyone loves celebrating success, right? But real friends show up during tough times too. Whether it's offering support during a rough patch or simply being there when life gets overwhelming, your presence during difficult moments matters. Send a quick text to check in, offer to hang out when they need a distraction, or just be a shoulder to cry on. This consistency builds trust, and your friend will know you're in it for the long haul. It's easy to be there for the fun moments, but being there when things get tough, that's where real friendships grow stronger. Tip 3. Embrace imperfections. Nobody's perfect. We all mess up. Whether it's canceling plans or saying something out of line, it's important to forgive and let go. Holding on to small grudges only strains your relationship. Learn to laugh things off, talk through misunderstandings, and remember, your friend isn't perfect, just like you. Laughs. And hey, wouldn't friendships be boring if we were all perfect anyway? Tip 4. Make time, even when life gets busy. Life gets crazy. School, work, family, commitments. We've all got stuff going on, but making time for your friends, even when you're swamped, can keep the bond alive. Schedule a call, plan a coffee hangout, or even send a quick voice message. Sometimes it's the small gestures that show you care. Even a simple text that says, "Hey, I've been thinking about you," can go a long way in keeping your friendships thriving. Tip 5. Practice kindness and gratitude. Kindness never goes out of style. Compliment your friends, encourage them when they're down, and celebrate their wins. And don't forget to express gratitude. Saying, "Hey, I appreciate you," or "I'm grateful to have you in my life," can strengthen your bond tenfold. Enthusiastically. A little gratitude can turn a regular friendship into something truly special. So don't hold back. Be kind and spread positivity. So there you have it. 5 simple but powerful tips to become a better friend. Be a great listener, be there through thick and thin, embrace imperfections, make time, and practice kindness. These little habits can make all the difference in your friendships. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite friendship tip, or what you've learned about being a great friend. Until next time, take care of your friends, and they'll take care of you. See you in the next video.